Morning students. So separation of substance we discussing till yes till our hand picking pattern finish. Next we have to discuss winnowing. So winnowing activity 1 given. Make a mixture of dry sand with sawdust or powdery dry leaves. Keep this mixture on a plate or a newspaper. Look at this mixture carefully. Can two different components be made out easily? Are the size of particles of the two components similar? Would it possible to separate the components by hand picking? Now take your mixture to an open ground and stand on a raised platform. Put the mixture in a plate or sheet or paper. Hold the plate or the sheet of paper containing the mixture at your shoulder height. Tilt it slightly so that the mixture slides out slowly. So hand winnowing means ki ami hatere ki koribo paru eto botahot uri joa jenko dhoroner hoy. What happens? Do both the components sand and sawdust for powdered leaves fall at the same place? Is there a component that blows away? Did the wind manage to separate the two components? This method of separating components of a mixture is called winnowing. Winnowing is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. This method is commonly used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles from heavier seeds of grain. So lighter bilak amar ki hoy gusi joar karone use kore egila. The husk particles are carried by the wind. These seeds of grain get separated and form a heap near the platform for winnowing. The separated husk is used for many purposes such as fodder for cattle karone use kore amar jeta goru soru khoy na sei karone khoy. Saving. Sometimes we may wish to prepare a dish with flour. We need to remove impurities and brain that may be present in it. What do? We use a sieve and pour the flour into it. Sieving allows the fine flour particles to pass through the holes of the sieve while the bigger impurities remain on the sieve. In a flour or mill, impurities like husks and stones are removed from the wheat before grinding it. Using a bag full of wheat is poured on a slanting sieve. The sieving removes pieces of stones, stalk and husks that may still remain with wheat after threshing and winning করার সাথে হয় আমি চাই এই সালনি টাইপের এনকর সেভিং এইটো to separate pebbles and stones from sand বালির পৰা গুছাৰ কাৰণে হে কৰে. Next কিছেমা activity 4 bring a sieve and a small quantity of flour from home to the class. Say class ত চাবৰ সেইবিলাক আৰু কৰা নহব আমাৰ. Sieve and flour to separate any impurities in it. Now make a fine powder to soak peas and mix it with the flour. Can we separate the flour and the powder soaked by sieving? Sieving is used when components of a mixture have different size. বেলেগ সাইজ হলে আমি কৰিব পাৰো কিন্তু সেম সাইজৰ বস্তু আমি কিন্তু কৰিব নোৱাৰো. Next sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Sometimes it may not be possible to separate components of a mixture by winnowing and hand picking. Winnowing and hand picking use kori নোৱাৰো. For example, there may be lighter impurities like dust or soil particles in rice. or pulses. How are such impurities separated from rice or pulses before cooking? Rice or pulses are usually washed before cooking. When you added water to this, the impurities like dust particles get separated. These impurities go into water. Water mix. Now what will sink to the bottom of the vessels? Rice or dust? Why? Have you seen that the vessel is tilted to pour out the dirty water? When the heavier component in a mixture settles after water is added to it, the process is called sedimentation. When the water is removed, the process is called decantation. Water remove decantation. Let us find a few other mixtures that can be separated through sedimentation and decantation. The same principle is used for separating a mixture of two liquids that do not mix with each other. For example, oil and water from their mixture can be separated by this process. Water mixture water oil. If a mixture of such liquids is allowed to stand for some time, they form on two separate layers. The components that form the top layer can be separated by decantation. Process separation koribo pari. So let us consider a mixture of solid and liquid. After preparing tea, what do you do to remove the tea leaves? Usually we use strainer to remove tea leaves. They try to decantation and it helps a little, but you still get a few leaves in your tea. Now pour the tea through a strainer. Did the tea leaves remain the strainer? This process is called filtration. The filtration will be second which method separation tea leaves from prepared tea is better, decantation or filtration. কোনটো process আমাৰ ভাল হেতু দিছে। সো এটা এক্টিভিটি এটা আমি নকৰো। বাকি আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা এক্টিভিটি 5 পৰা নেক্সট ক্লাছত ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰি দিম।